If you're a local business owner, having a Google business profile, formerly Google My Business, is one of the easiest ways to attract new customers online. It's more than just a listing, it's a powerful tool that improves your visibility, builds trust, and helps you manage your online presence effectively. One major benefit is improved local search visibility. When someone searches for businesses like yours on Google Search or Maps, a complete and optimized profile can appear in the top results. This helps potential customers find you quickly without having to navigate through multiple websites. Another key advantage is customer engagement. Your profile allows users to call your business, visit your website, request directions, or message you directly. You can also post updates, promotions, and offers, keeping your audience informed and engaged. Reputation management is another big benefit. Customers can leave reviews on your profile, and responding to them shows that you care about your audience. Positive reviews improve trust, credibility, and even influence your ranking in local search results. A Google business profile also provides valuable insights. You can see how customers find your business, which actions they take, and where they are located. This data helps you understand your audience and make smarter marketing decisions. Finally, cost-effective marketing is a huge plus. Creating and managing your profile is free, yet it gives you access to tools that businesses normally pay for, like analytics, customer communication, and even appointment or booking features. Overall, a Google business profile is a must-have for any local business looking to grow online. It increases visibility, boosts engagement, improves reputation, and gives you actionable insights, all while being completely free. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the benefits of a Google business profile, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more local SEO tips, marketing strategies, and business growth hacks. Comment below and tell me, which benefit do you find most valuable for your business?